Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this tutorial we'll see the command uh, average. It is very much like obscure feature. The people don't know how powerful it is. Sometimes we can use to quickly create simple shapes. Today we'll use that average command to create a simple flower with just 3 clicks. Take ellipse tool, draw ellipse, right click, choose average, choose both, which will create F a pretty much base shape for our flower. Choose scale this flower, and now offset path. Go to object, path, offset path. Choose 10 pixels, click OK. Now it's time to color our flower. Choose green to color. To click on X on your keyboard to switch to fill. Then choose green. Select inner part and choose light green. To deselect, drag and select both, and then click on none or forward slash on your keyboard to actually remove stroke. So make sure it is selected, then remove the stroke, and then choose ellipse. Make sure you have a smart guides turned on so that you get this kind of smart hints. Draw simple circle. Fill that with yellow. And here, since stroke color is selected, we got the stroke yellow. Fill stroke to none. Click on this icon, and then to switch back to fill, click on X on your keyboard. Then come to swatches, choose yellow. You can recolor this. Choose if you want a different kind of green. You can choose. Select line tool, draw the line. Hold shift to draw straight line. Go to appearance panel. If you don't have appearance, go to window and choose appearance. You can bring up this panel from the window and make sure this line is selected, and then come here, give weight to the path, and let's choose brown, which kind of fits. To select this, to move this thing, arrange, send, choose from the context menu, from the array, choose send back. So it will put this line very last in the stack of these objects, and go to reshape tool, which works, which is kind of nice tool to work with paths, where we can reshape our paths. You can select anywhere and you can reshape. And to give nice edges, go to make sure that path is selected and go to stroke. Click on stroke and which will give you another panel. From there, choose rounded cap on corners. Here you go. To group everything, choose everything and make sure everything is selected. And from properties panel or right click and group. Here is the flower. So all you did is average. Choose circle, average, and which will give you the base flower shape. Thank you.